The difference this year was with Wingtra, there was zero incidents. And that was the first time that we don't have an incident. It was easy to operate and the data was much higher in resolution than what we were getting before. I'm saving a lot of money. I have no problems at all. It was very fast and accurate. The technical support is perfect, really. We didn't need much of technical support, and that was really phenomenal. I didn't remember that I have other drones in operation, and we don't have calls to the supplier. Now they don't hear even our voice. They just, everything is okay. I called them, I said, we finished our project, thank you so much. The thing why really I like to have a highlight of the Wingtra, because this is the first time I feel really happy of something. This is the first time I feel my business is stable. I'm not really struggling in doing drone business.